Contraindications. Contraindications are a type of either physical or mental condition which may prevent you from being able to do certain exercises or types of activity due to there being a higher risk. There are two types of contraindications known as absolute and relative. These are important to consider when you're doing an exercise prescription because they may stop certain groups from doing specific things. Absolute contraindications are a severe circumstance, which means that you should not partake in any physical activity. This means it's not safe for you to do any exercise, so you must not do it at all. For example, if you've recently had a heart attack, it would not be safe to exercise in any way because of the extra strain that your heart is put under to pump blood around the body faster. This type of contraindication will always outbalance the benefit of exercise because of the risk to injury, trauma, or previous conditions reoccurring is almost fully likely to occur again. Relative contraindications are a risk which is still threatening to the client, however you are able to complete physical activity as long as you are being supervised. Supervision is important because if you become ill or unwell at any point, you have someone there to help you. For this type of contraindication, having a GP's referral is important so you are stated to be fit to exercise. The specialist planning your exercise should also modify it where possible to ensure that your risk factor is lowered as much as possible, allowing you to work around the risk. An example of a relative contraindication is having high blood pressure. This would be a risk in exercise because normally when doing physical activity, more pressure is put onto your blood vessel walls as a larger volume of blood is moving around the body. Therefore, when you have high blood pressure, this makes you have even more pressure, which puts you at risk. However, this is not a severe risk, and if you are under supervision, it can be worked around for you to still be able to exercise.